Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Disha Panchal with an update on Australia weather. Destructive storm slams Western Australia. A powerful and dangerous storm system is creating chaos across Western Australia, leaving tens of thousands without electricity, damaging homes, flooding roads, and bringing some of the strongest winds the region has experienced in years. The severe weather event has impacted Perth and large parts of Western Australia's southwest coast, including Mandurah, Margaret River, Bunbury, Busselton, and surrounding communities. Meteorologists say this is one of the most intense low pressure systems to strike the region in recent years, with wind gusts exceeding 125 km per hour in some locations. Authorities have issued urgent warnings for residents to stay indoors, avoid unnecessary travel, and keep away from windows as destructive winds continue to batter the region. Emergency services say the storm has already caused widespread damage, bringing down trees, power lines, roofs, and sending debris flying through residential neighborhoods. The situation has been especially severe in Perth, where strong winds combined with heavy rain triggered flooding in parts of the city. Roads were submerged. According to emergency officials and electricity providers, more than 30,000 customers were left without power across Perth and other parts of Western Australia as fallen trees and flying debris damaged power infrastructure. Crews are working to restore electricity, but dangerous weather conditions are slowing repair efforts. The extreme weather has also disrupted transportation. Several flights attempting to land in Perth were forced to divert due to severe wind shear and dangerous crosswinds. Train services faced disruptions and drivers were warned about fallen trees, flooded roads and hazardous conditions across the state. Meanwhile, the Bureau of Meteorology has described this storm as a rare event that occurs only once every 3 to 5 years. Weather experts say the unusually deep low pressure system intensified rapidly as it approached the coast, generating cyclone-strength wind gusts, heavy rain, massive ocean swells, and even concerns about isolated tornado activity. However, the weather system is now moving eastward and could bring strong winds, heavy rain, and colder winter-like conditions to part of South Australia, Victoria, New South Wales, and Tasmania over the coming days. That's all for this weather update. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest weather news, storm tracking and severe weather updates from Australia and around the world. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care.